In this video, let us discuss about barter system. Barter system was introduced by Mesopotamian tribes. Actually, barter system is an alternative method of trading where goods and services are exchanged directly for one another without using money as an intermediary. It is oldest method of exchange. People used it to trade with each other even before money was invented. For example, person A has 1 kg of rice and person B has 500 grams of wheat. Person B exchanges 500 grams of wheat for 1 kg of rice with person A. This is how the barter system works. But there are many disadvantages of barter system. Number 1. Double coincidence of wants. If you want to buy a 1 kilogram of tomatoes, you have to search for the person who has tomatoes and you have to satisfy his wants to buy those tomatoes from him. For example, you have 2 kilograms of wheat and you are looking for 1 kilogram of tomatoes, and person B has 1 kilogram of tomatoes, exactly what you want, but he is looking for 1 kilogram of rice. Trade doesn't occur between them due to no match. This is the major disadvantage of barter system. Number 2. It is difficult to store the perishable products like vegetables, fruits. They result in the loss of value. If you want to exchange your goods like vegetables and fruits, you have to search for a suitable person who is ready to accept and exchange. These perishable products also lose their lives due to temperature, pH and storage and environments. This is the another biggest drawback of barter system. Number 3. Barter system doesn't encourage the specialization and division of labor. Specializations like doctors, lawyers, engineers, etc. Because you have to produce some type of goods in order to exchange with another goods to fulfill your wants. This is how the barter system discourages. Everyone wants to be a farmer or trader to fulfill their wants. This problem is solved after the invention of money. Money is universally accepted. Money is evolved from commodity money to the metallic money and to paper money and to bank money and then the cryptocurrencies.